In this video, I will show you how to set loss limit on Bitvavo. So from your Bitvavo app, you're going to click on the profile section at the top right. And from here, you're going to click on Pro Mode. Once you are in Pro Mode, you're going to the crypto that you want to set a loss limit for. So let's say I want to do it for Bitcoin. Then I'm going to click on Bitcoin. And here you can see a couple of options. And at the bottom right, we're going to click on Sell. And as you can see, when we click on Sell, we see limit in here. When we click on that, we see stop limit. So in here, we can enter a trigger price. And let's say that we want to trigger the price at 95,000. Then we're going to enter this in here. And right now we can select a percentage of our Bitcoin that we want to put on this limit. So let's say 1%. And for the limit price, select something that is similar to the current price. And when you have the trigger price set, then you can click on preview order in here. So let's say I'm going to click on preview order. And right now I can place this order. And once it will reach the limit, then the trigger price will be activated. And when that happens, your Bitcoin will automatically be sold for that trigger price and for the amount that you have inserted in this limit. So that is how this works. And this is a nice way to cut losses and to set loss limits. So you can do this for any other crypto. If you want to finalize this, you're going to click on place order down below, and then you have finalized it. And here below you see open orders. And when you wish to remove an order, then you're going to see your order in this section, and then just go ahead and click on remove. So that is how you do it. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.